Hey friends, welcome to STEM. Today we are going to be doing a science experiment and we are going to be seeing how when light travels through different things, we can see refraction. Refraction is when the light bends objects. So for today's experiment, you're gonna need a glass or plastic cup, something that's transparent that you can see through. You're going to need water, so there's water in there. You're going to need a piece of paper, and you're also going to need a marker. So for this experiment, I am going to draw an arrow because I think that's going to be the easiest way for you guys to really see. But then at home, you guys can draw different things like maybe cars or animals, and you can pretend that they're going different directions. Okay, are you ready? All right, so for this, I have multiple pieces of paper. I just need one. All right, for this, I am going to draw an arrow. I'm doing my arrow a little small because my cup is narrow and I want you guys to be able to see the refraction at home from it. All right, so I drew an arrow on my piece of paper and it's going that way. All right, but when I put it in front of this cup of water, watch what happens to it. Do you guys see it? It's pointing that way now. That's our science experiment. Pull it up. Ah, what way is it pointing? That's right. And when I put it down, what way is it pointing? That is refraction of the light. It's when the light bends things. See if you guys can do this experiment at home. Can you guys draw a vehicle where it's going one direction, but when you put it in front of the glass filled with water, it's going the other direction? Can you guys draw an animal or maybe just an arrow? What can you guys do at home? Have a great day, friends. Bye.